All right, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel, everyone. If you're new, you guys already know the drill. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. Guys already know what the topic is if you're looking at the title and the screen right now. It is none other than Solana. Looking at the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $23.61. It is up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 0.5% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the overall market cap, currently sitting at $8.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.7 billion. We already know what has been happening with the price of Solana over the past few days. Solana has been absolutely going insane. We had a massive breakout towards the upside, and right now Solana is sitting at, once again, very critical price levels, and the next few days could be very important because I do expect for another breakout if we are able to go out of this level of resistance where we're currently sitting at. So if you are a holder, you do want to sit back, relax, and watch the video. But before we jump into the charts, guys, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, obviously it's no secret that we had a massive breakout towards the upside, and right now the price has been consolidating very nicely around that $23.58 mark. A lot of people obviously want the price to continuously go towards the upside and hit $100 right away, but come on, guys, that's not realistic. We need to take it one step at a time. But remember, if you picked up some Solana, once again, just on December 28th, you are already up almost 200% in just a matter of 2.5 weeks. So that goes to show that the price of Solana has gone up quite a bit over the past 2.5 weeks. And not only that, it's holding very nicely around these levels. That's the most bullish takeaway from this. And I've been telling you guys the momentum is there. Obviously, we were facing a massive hurdle for the price of Solana and the project itself after the SPF collapse and obviously the link with Solana. That was really causing a lot of investors to kind of panic. But we've seen a massive rebound, and that goes to show where Solana really is headed in the future. And I kept on telling you guys that the Solana blockchain, the ecosystem has continuously risen even after the massive uncertainty it faced. The overall ecosystem continued to grow, and now this overall gain that we have seen is not a surprise at all. But before we jump into what we should be looking at, look where we are currently sitting at. We are being this was a support back in 2021, but now that is playing as a level of resistance for us. And if we break out of this zone, guys, then we could be headed to levels prior to the FTX collapse, which was around that $35 to $40 mark, and that is going to cause a lot of excitement and possibly really take the price of Solana back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If I do bring out the 1 hour time frame for you guys, you will get a better picture as to what has been happening over the past few days. You guys can see the price has started to consolidate around this range, which is very bullish. Look what has happened. Okay, do you guys see a pattern forming right now? We saw some consolidation phase, boom, spike up, consolidation phase, spike up, consolidation phase, and I'm thinking that we are going to once again see a massive spike towards the upside. As mentioned, we are sitting as a massive level of support, which is playing as a level of resistance for us right now. If we break that, that is going to turn into support, and I really think Solana is going to rip very fast. Obviously, BTC on the other hand is also looking very nice right now. Still has not reached that $22,000 mark, which I've been talking about on my channel for the longest time. And in order for me to turn bullish for the overall market, I need to see the price of Bitcoin above this and actually close above this, not just quickly wick above it and come back down. We need to close above it and start heading towards the upside from there. That's where I turn bullish. But regardless of the matter is, Solana is doing absolutely insane. A lot of FUDers have been quiet after this massive breakout towards the upside, and again, this really goes to show a lot of FUD is going to come. There's a lot of hurdles that are going to be thrown into these projects in front of them. It's very important how they overcome that, and Solana is really overcoming this very, very nicely. And what better time than when the bull market does return. But going back to when I say the ecosystem and the overall investors confidence in Solana is very high, because if we go look at the staking rewards, the top third most staked cryptocurrency right now by market cap is Solana, and 72% of the circulation supply is staked, meaning it's not available to be purchased on exchanges because people are staking it and earning passive income off of this. And supply and demand factor kicks in once again. Right now there's very little supply to be purchased on these exchanges, and the demand is high, which is definitely not a secret right now. I can even show it to you in the charts. Look at the demand. We are seeing more volume coming in, more people want to get Solana right now, and obviously there's not much to be purchased on the exchanges because only roughly 28 to 29% of the circulation is available to be purchased on the exchanges. So that goes to show this is going to help Solana even go up faster than it, and this is one of the projects that is going to be a massive performer in my personal opinion this bull cycle. Remember, this bull cycle has begun, but I still have a little bit of doubt that we could possibly see a retracement for Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin is the king of the markets, and that is going to impact the entire market. But Solana, if it were to have a retracement, I am expecting this level of support at that $18.23 to play out as a massive level of support for the price of Sol. And that is really going to hold in my personal opinion, unless BTC does have a massive flash crash, which could obviously impact Solana price to go down even further. But overall, the year of 2023 is going to be bullish, as I've been saying to you guys since all the way last year. I believe most of the negative days are behind us, but obviously there are some risk factors that are not in our control. Maybe some exchanges going insolvent, and that it can impact the entire market. So obviously those are things that cannot be predicted, or even kind of basically for us to make sure that that's not going to happen. That is not true. That is not in our control, and that could definitely happen. So those are some risk measures that we can control, but overall, historically speaking, the prices are headed in the right direction, exactly where we need to see them going. But right now BTC is on a breakout right now, so possibly after I upload this video we could have retested this level of resistance at that $22,000 mark, and that could be a very decisive factor for the entire cryptocurrency markets. And if we see a rejection, I would not be surprised at all, because if we're looking at the resistance level over the past few months, you guys can see how many times we've been rejected by this. So it really goes to show that it's a very important level of resistance that's coming up for us. And if BTC does break above there, I will turn bullish. But like I said, if it goes above here, it has to close above this level of resistance and not just quickly go up and boom, back down. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Solana going. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these Solana updates. Do you prefer Solana updates on a daily basis or every other day? Let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.